Facial Steamer for Face Professional. Bvcewilty Skin Care Facial Steamer is a professional beauty facial spa machine. Nano steam particles that generate negatively charged ions during use. The nanocrystals are combined with ionized water particles can make 10 times penetrate the skin deeply into the skin layer directly. It can moisturizes the skin and makes the skin more elastic. Outstanding effect. Bvcewilty Facial Steamer provides a full range of facial deep hydration for your face. Reduce pigmentation, rejuvenate skin cells, restore firmness, and improve skin quality by giving your face a warm spa. It can also be a pore cleaner to clean your pores. Suitable for all skin types. This facial skin care product is a great gift for friends, family, and yourself. Never get scalded. Bvcewilty Facial Steamer adopts a unique heating mode. Nano water mist will never burn your face due to high temperature. It allows your face to enjoy a safe and comfortable spa in an independent, non-smell and warm environment. In contrast, other face steamers will burn the face because of overheated steam. More for you. As a facial steamer for face professional, this beauty skin care tool can let you enjoy the painless, economical, effective and convenient facial SPA without going to the beauty salon. Besides, it is made of environmentally friendly materials, non-toxic and odorless. Can fully adapt to the high temperature at work. No noise during operation. Multiple mode. Bvcewilty Facial Steamer has a variety of water mist release modes. By controlling the Mode A, Mode B, Mode C and Mode D button, the continuous spray time can be adjusted to 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and 30 seconds respectively. V-line lift bandages are an alternative to expensive procedures in beauty salons and also surgical procedures. This is a truly innovative and intensive anti-aging agent for reducing second chin and sagging skin along the facial contours. It can be easily and effectively used at home with proven results. You will see a big difference after a few weeks of application. Powerful repair. Our facial contours lose shape and definition over time. Our firming mask bandage effectively removes sagging skin from double chin and facial contours in an effective and useful way. To tighten the skin and sculpt the facial line, it can be used on both men and women. Comfortable and breathable. Our chin strap is made of breathable fabric, which is stretchy and strong. Soft, skin-friendly and comfortable, it fits perfectly on the face to help tighten and define the jawline, reducing the appearance of a double chin. Intimate design. Bvcewilty lifting bandages carry adjustable Velcro design, which is simpler and more convenient to operate, suitable for most people. In the process of use, the length of the hair can be adjusted freely according to the size of the face and the fluffy degree of the hair. Let you solve the trouble of yardage selection. How to use. Step 1. Clean your face. Keep your face clean and dry before wearing. Step 2. Stretch the Bvcewilty lift bandage 1 to 3 times, then apply the bandage to the chin. Step 3. Place the ear in the slot in the bandage and attach the Velcro to the top of the head. Step 4. Adjust the ear position and wait 30 to 60 minutes before removing the bandage. For best results, use the Bvcewilty lift bandage daily for at least half to an hour, and use the bandage continuously for 3 to 4 weeks. Jade Roller and Gua Sha Face Roller, Facial Beauty Roller Skincare Tools. BAIMEI Rose Quartz Massager for face, eyes, neck, body muscle relaxing and relieve fine lines and wrinkles. Face Roller, muscle tension relief, reduce facial puffiness and help your skin look fresh, firm your skin and make it look dewy and lifted. Jade Face Roller, the at-home skincare face massager tool is made of rose quartz. The face and eye roller is sturdy and no squeaky. The massager roller is very smooth and well made. It provides cooling and energizes the skin. Gua Sha not only can lift your skin and improve fine lines with upwards pressure, but it also helps to shape your jawline. Tips: you can keep the facial jade roller and Gua Sha in the fridge and it helps to reduce morning puffiness and get the skin refreshed. We suggest you wash the beauty skincare tools face roller and Gua Sha after and before each use. Face Cleansing Device. This dermatologist-designed exfoliating facial brush boosts the performance of your cleanser for a deep clean. Maximize your moisturizer. Prime skin to maximize the hydrating effect of your moisturizer, like Olay Regenerist Whip. 2 speeds for 2 cleans. Choose between a daily deep clean or gentle exfoliation. Makeup No More. Our facial cleansing brush delivers superior cleansing on hard-to-remove makeup. Water resistant, safe for in-shower use. Newest technology Blackhead Vacuum. Super powerful pore vacuum can be safely used on the face, directly achieve deep cleaning and effectively remove blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin, treat acne, grease and makeup residues, which can increase blood circulation and skin elasticity, lessen wrinkle, shrink pores, smooth fine lines without hurting your skin. 5 suction levels and 5 suction probes. 5 different powerful suction levels suitable for different types of skin to achieve genuine deep cleaning. Level 1 is suitable for sensitive and dry skin. Level 2 to 3 are suitable for neutral skin. Level 4 to 5 are designed for mixed and oily skin. Meanwhile, 5 replaceable probe are designed for different skin conditions, such as clean up blackhead, remove dirt grease on the skin, reduce dead skin and fine lines. Effective and safe and painless in daily skin care. Blackhead Pore Vacuum uses innovative vacuum technology. The pore vacuum suction is twice that of ordinary products. Made of eco-friendly material ABS, non-toxic, non-irritating, which can be safely used on the face. Blackhead Remover Vacuum uses effective physical approach to solve the skin problems without any chemicals. FCC, CE, ROHS certificated to ensure it is safer and more effective than traditional facial cleaning method. Rechargeable and portable LED display. The Pore Vacuum Cleaner has a built-in USB rechargeable battery. A single charge supports superior standby timed. You can check the suction level and battery power on the LED display. FreeShow Blackhead Remover is designed for daily facial treatment, suitable for traveling and convenient to carry. It is also a very wise choice as a gift. Recommended gradually increase the level. Before using the vacuum pore cleaner, please use a hot towel or facial steamer to open your pore. Our Blackhead Remover Vacuum provides LED digital display for showing the suction level. Please don't use the Blackhead Remover in one place for more than 5 seconds. Just gently slide the pore vacuum up and down in one direction. For metal tools and replacement accessories are placed at the bottom of the box. Please lift the plastic layer and you will see them. Please feel free to contact us if you have any problems with our Blackhead Remover. We will provide you with a satisfactory solution. If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.